Today we talk about how can you disable auto recording on your CallApp. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on recorded here. So then you come to next step here, come here to auto recording here. So just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean auto recording disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.